Okay, so at this point now you have your split screen, you have your online notebook on the side, you have the Google Forms or the classwork on the other side, and so we just finished problem number one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert our work. And again, anything that I do, you're gonna copy me exactly. So we're gonna insert for problem number one, we're gonna do insert image, insert image. We have camera. Oh my gosh, that's me. And here's the deal. I do not want a picture of your face. I don't, it's fine. I can see you on Zoom. What I need is a picture of your work. So here's problem number one. I'm going to take a picture of it. And then what's going to happen is it shows up to the side here. Gonna click on it and it says insert. Okay, so what's going to happen is it's going to be really small. And so I've kind of mentioned this before, but I need you guys to make sure that this is bigger. So I'm going to drag it, which means that you're going to go to the bottom corner, bottom right corner to be specific, and then you're just going to drag it as big as you can, honestly, as big as you can. Really, like, just make it huge because the most important thing is for me to see it. So we're gonna drag. This looks pretty clear to me. Great. The picture has been uploaded. It is big. Miss Mustafa could see all of my work. Fabulous. You are done with problem number one.